Like no, you don't but you don't usually send people.
Turun between the same, atau berapa kali berapa koloni, berapa tukuan ni. Turun between the same, negara tukaina ande. Kenya na mambo ya Kemero. Itu tongwe kwenye romba ya Kemero. DJ.
Kabisa
My daughter here tells me that lazima awe kidogo. Huyu ndiye yule tuko naye mdogo kabisa wa Kimeru na akaonyesha kitu lakini sio sahihi. Wekeni mkono nikaita huko kwenye kaje huko Kimeru ikaje kama nuru na Kimeru
Thank you much, Karimi, and thank you, Vice Team. Now, we are prepared for that. Kutoka tena mwako, lakini hapo ndio ndio mwene huko. Tulipoanza Susan, Dr. Sonia Imaro, kukaribisha then to the next level of the program. Thank you very much. You see what the meeting. Mwako bring
Asante sana MC, our chief guest, actually with the owner of the university, our VC, Honorable Kiraito, all protocols observed, Mueni, Turitekwesha Mwadani. Nasienwe, Izarimwe, Ulitawa Kariyo Laimaro, Daktare, ili principal Kenya Methodist University, Nairobi campus. Na nakubwira karibu sana ibweni ya kabwe kwenu university yato tuina kuwego sana tukegera tuina launch ya Kimeru Institute na tutakuwa Kimeru Institute ya keto kabwedia au tuina ritoba kumanzeshionde na county yonde. So tuena kama tuka launch tuena ambiba tuka launch all the languages on people kumenya wamenya lugha yenu wamenya culture yenu au niyo unite ya biashara na we united utigwe mturema ameni kwa united utigwe ya turema na kwa mheshimiwa Kiraito. Thanks sana for this idea na babwe welcome enjoy kabisa any campus yenu mekini ageni completely igo wa miakile tigo karibuni sana, asante. Well,
Singatari apigwa makofi. Now, we are with a state house. Nyamre na mami akenya. Ko kaida akenya tu. Mone kanisa yoko ndio mweleze Profesa Bamboni ya Barale, mara moja kwa mwana wangu, ya mwana wangu, ndio kwa drama. Babu ya kwa makosa ngani. Ni senior Bishop already performed in here and very possibly become to his entire bishop. He's been founder of this institution, he's been presiding bishop, so that we have to do the usiku wa mchana anajua what to do. Na Mungu anakusikiza all the time, Bishop.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Iko bora tunawakaribisha na hiyo chochote kaza mwana ndio kambo ya kanchi cha kazi kidogo buge as the first chancellor of this university. Hiyo chochote kaza kuona watu wote tunaomba ukura na kuendelea kuhivia university yetu katika ikewe na nkuruki na hiyo wote tunakwaza Mungu kutokania ya hivi ya kuleta Kimeru Institute na hivi sana kuona nini kwa mkura mkuru aya kirika munde nini mkuru kigo ndio kwa na ndiye nani kai swatora mwenye haja Kimeru Institute sisi ndiye Kimeru bwana ili kwenye Kimeru bwana ndiye kwa ya Kimeru ndiye tomando tunde kwa sababu Kimeru na Utero omba kombadia garantiye ko bela ni kumenya kini ko kwambia kuonelia na hiyo wala kama anti yao kwenda kange na gobenelea na madani abodalime na mkicho kwa mono maromba kirejo bonde kekenda madani akadalima institute tuweza kipelo bwana siku sana. Okay. Tuombeni. Mwadani hato chokren kazo na tobagi ketororiki na kiadegeki na tonagwa weka nambere utogagwa mwadani ndoelewa wako itokumenya madogale yaye tujari jamja madogane jamega jara yale ukina tobaku na bara bone tempere nkuruki nikenda tukambia kuona ni vya kinyo kimiro kenda iweka ndene amtoro ruzo tona ndene amtoro itanambira kutonge reina nkuruki motwe ume nkuruki ne kinyarwa tonge ya magani ene institute ukaba inya na ume kwa Kristo mwana ntwaro amen.
God is good. So if Moses is here, what can you do? Bishop Katuma. Now we go to the next level of going with here, and I want Dr. Manja, kuonyesha directors wa Kimeru Institute, alafu itaungana ndio on the other team. Dr. Manja tafadhali.
Asante Bwana Gitonga. Vile nimeambiwa, my name is Ndaliwa Manja. A supporter of Kimeru language, history and culture. That is not my training. My training is in economics. But I've been working with a lot of groups, a lot of as a group, as individuals. I've been supporting them whom I'm younger than I am. Baraba TMBJ, Deputy Director of Research, Central Bank of Kenya, until a few months ago, that's senior citizen. I want to devote most of my time promoting our language. Now they will promote to travel this world. Now don't Udokina culture yawe only more or less like a slave. I've lived in UK, in America, and I don't know how passionate they are about their nationalities and their national values. I remember we like members of institutes, but that's what made it here. Today, like interim members or directors, so that requesting director when they are on in a summary form, even they are on, including the chairman. That weather will be another different. Chairman Mwanga Liawe, Cyprian Kalaine, Wayojo, immediate former Chief Officer Culture, Meru County. Now he has served as provincial activist. Then the Kibari, Nyanza, and Western. Now, he has very many other things. He has worked in WHO and many other places. Now, he's somebody who is very passionate about culture and a director of the institute. Thank you, Cyprian. Number two, I want to recognize Dr. Stephen Maure. who is a senior lecturer in his university and the former director of marketing at Kenya. He is an activist like Yola Bwire na mentor na chairman wa Mawe. Mawe ni maendeleo ya wanaume. Na ina ambassador o mwana wa pacha ya Meru. Thank you, chairman wetu. I also want to recognize Mrs. Jacinta Kagendo Magaju. Wali Buje Vaiba Maiba Buje Sana, Edward Mwalimu Aja, and she has taught here for quite a number of years. At the final stages of completing a PhD doctoral thesis, in a PhD in mother tongue languages. You can imagine obtaining a PhD at that level on mother tongue. We wish you all the best. I know you are in your final stages of defense. Nani Mbomwe, na facilitator for this function today. We have another linguist in Kwanda for recognizing Dr. Susan Nyaga Anzu Rumi. Nitaruga as Rumi Tanchosa, known to be our expert to DRC. Otherwise, originally from Taraga community, and they are DRC, Ikoku Baritarudia, Nagotaramudia, they are very difficult to pronounce, particularly for me. And they are senior research consultants, and here went to SIL International Africa, not specialized in terms of further development of languages and translations. She has done so in form of books. They have translated 7 languages in Kenya, mother tongue languages, 13 languages in Uganda, 7 in Ethiopia, and 5 in South Sudan. Sioni kazi kubwa sana ya mtaalamu wa lugha. Augawe abogamaia andrima aswataga languages, mother tongue languages. Asante sana Susan, na pongezi vya tuletea watu wa kutoka Baraka the Women in Dancers. Apigio makofi hiyo katika speaker. One of our MCs and our senior, eto wakitoka mbundi, wote mwije, okiagara kwenye. Kitonga Mutungu, Kinyago Mwanatu in culture is an IT expert. What was the director of IT Hub Bank of Kenya? I think he retired a few years ago. Na Kitonga Nwe Utukoordinator Nairobi Diaspora Jubilee Cheke Elders. Na Nairobi International Team ya Jubilee Cheke ingi ukenda inago kai deep primero Jubilee Mbele Nairobi in the top organ of jury na into very passionate about Kimere. My director wa institute. Before we support, maybe I can say something about Kitoman Apigio Makofi. Particularly the members first. In Bodega, Murigo Wamanja, Nambeda Wanden, director in the Kemero Institute. In the chairman of Cultural Board of Meru during the rest of time in Meru County. We used to work with the Cyprian. Na dream miracle area kuja Meru no to continue with whether we are in or out of government to continue na Meru culture, history, and language. Most of those, as well as the engineer group, all that have written their books. We continue supporting one another, and their books are being sold out outside there, support them. Allow me to also recognize and introduce our chairman, Honorable Governor Kiraitu Murungi, who is a household name then in Kenya, all the ingredients, former governor of Meru, he is a former minister in this country, a former MP for Saudi Menti for many years, 20 years as an MP, 5 years as a senator, 5 years as a governor. Na into very focused na tutongereke sana. I used to be in his team there, MP wa Saudi Menti, and I think you can see Saudi Menti they stand out as one of the model constituencies in Kenya, both in Meru and in Kenya. Courtesy of Kiraitu Murungi, currently the chairman of the National Oil Corporation. Now recently, I think in the show of this week or the day before yesterday, the chairman of the Center for Multiparty Democracy in Kenya. You came there na nkawaji introduce Kiraitu tukara mwanga uju anu tuto intention ya graduate da dabu muligira pe tafadhali. Kuna director ndoro de Karibi, Katwiri, Imani Maja, Nanu Moro to facilitate Agia, everybody in the Dean School of Business, Modigira anyway. Who will play a very key role in this institute. Ndoridi Mutegi, I retired finance. I got a key on the leading of finance. We wrote my transport in our too. In the Department of Finance, a lecturer there. My classmate, my yearmate, Dr. Susan Laimaru, who is a former University of Nairobi many years ago, went to this for this campus and want to support it in a big way. Otherwise, without our support, we couldn't be able to be here in this function. The team needed and to Bangladesh and to recognize they may not be here, but if I can work behind the scenes, one of them is General Kabilo, that one in our secretariat, the Global Institute, Nagaraba Dikaidia Hamon Mayora, is going to introduce whatever he does. Kabilo is one of them. Nane, a strong member of Happiness Society of Kenya, and you know we be the chief happiness officer in this country. It's none other than our chairman. To another lady called, this is the Kabilo. A very enterprising young man. Ametusaidia sana everything IT and all that. Niyo tunakimbilia. Asante sana bwana Kabilo. There is Doreen Kenya. Maybe she could be outside here, ensuring that everything is in order. Kijana Aitangobe, office of our chairman, Joy Kenya Mogambi. na ni a lawyer by training, but yuko mwana ndako kwa ni mwana wa junior high school, but she is very resourceful as a telling son, whatever she is, I very appreciated. Now we both, I think, these are the guys in charge of this institute. Now we do our support. Tutukuja Kimeru yetu, Mheshimiwa, tukuza Kimeru yetu, na hata wewe ujue in the process. Sindio? I know you know, but you can refine. I think the rest of the why we are here, the chairman will explain. Because we have many things that we have allowed for this. Asanteni tukae chini. Thank you very much. Daktari makofi tafadhali. Dr. Mwende is an economist or repute in this country and internationally recognized by the World Bank. So you know where we are. Makofi kwake tafadhali. Now, I got a job which is both difficult but simple. Tumaleta mambo tere. Shukran. Tuke kumenyana. Kuru beta tu akaramu ka next year. Kuru beta puke tu atosheka tuka di in the next 3 minutes. So may allow me to mention a few people, a few institutions which are here. And if I don't mention you, remember you are most important because when there is speech, normally the last person is the one who is the president who speaks at the road. So if you recognize those others from the nation name, remember you are one single most important person who will be known by everybody. Now allow me to do housekeeping, now not protocol, and introduce you to recognize the wife of the chairman of the Kimeru Institute, former first lady, Priscilla Kaberoshi Raito Morongi. Eka mino kaba makofi. Toke mbonye Kinyandi Mumiru mwana ni anjefa. Eko kibiru. Weta Dr. Philip Litonga. A.K.A. Sunshine. Kanagino Kenya. She is the chairlady of the Meru Professionals Association. And I think with that, now I can go to the other things we can do, general introductions. Allow me to do it by the people I consider that I don't forget. Not only your position, but just getting to know that you are here. Henry Redita, one of the best businessmen from Meru, the owner of Rabaita in Apae. Wakili wetu wa Major Institution Kurauka. Kurauka asa chile wamba kuma rambiria. Ninga muka mshinde rambaranja. Apiwa makofi. Professor Ambition Bamburi, the first Vice Chancellor of the University, makofi kadari. Solomon Gitondo is the manufacturer in Nairobi, from Meru. His Excellency Ambassador Professor Kaimeni, he made reform ambassador to Belgium and the European Union, plus the end of all African, Caribbean, Pacific countries, 140 countries, and one Mumeru, Kenya. Then we have the chairman who has been introduced to, Excellency President Muronge,
He dreams, wakes up, thinks, and the talks about the Meru and the Mori. Simama chairman, watu wa kuona wale kuona. Simama hapo. Thank you, Chairman. He just remained the chairman of the political parties, Multiparty Democracy, kutoka Rasi, hapa makofi ingine, hiyo makofi. Tuko na Rais Chancellor wetu, Bishop, Bishop. You'll be talking to him later, and apigwa makofi kwa dhati. Mkamarate, mwambie wewe mtune. Apigwa makofi afadhali, hana uoga na hana mapendeleo, anaishi, anasimama, anafikiri Meru usiku na mchana. I introduce my wife Sunshine, kwa hivyo kuachilia hapo. The Dean, not the Dean, but the DDC, Academics, Mrs. Mary, makofi afadhali. Mkurugenzi na expert in cohesion and peace, Professor Naituri apigwa makofi afadhali. Tena ambassador wetu Balim, is not the head of it, but he is a quiet man, but very effective. He has come home recently at the head office. He is accompanied by his wife Pauline, and we are the 5 people who work here. This way, the ambassador. Every small madam. These are people recognized and respected widely elsewhere, but they are not known in Mary. But now we need to know them. So I thank you very much. Tuko na chairman wetu CEO Ambas. Okay. Mtoto Karaba Marambake is CEO wa political party. Na niko na kumjia tupati tunge is the title of the picture. Tuko makofi. Now we can go to groups with your permission. Tuko na Professor Babu Majuk, the CEO of Green Africa. Tuko makofi. Akapa nyuma. Na tuko na Dr. Levitt Daniel Mutungi, is an herbalist, transformed just from a minister. He's doing spiritual work, but he's also now becoming an herbalist. We happen to be born by the same mother and father, so I want to go my own group. So tuko makofi. Thank you so much. We are coming to the group now. We are finished with individuals. We have the speaker of the committee. If I can ask him to come here. No, please come, Mheshimiwa. Please come. Mheshimiwa Bundi, karibu afadhali. These are people making things happen on the grassroots. So allow me to ask first of all, to share Mheshimiwa kutoka Dakanidi asalimie one mouth, then we introduce.
Thank you so much. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God is good. My name is John Babu. I serve as the Speaker of the great county of Tharaka Nithi. Thank you.
Thank you. Amir Mungeni Kaire, mimi naitwa Ayubu Bundi, nikiwa speaker wa Bunge ya Meru, na ningetaka kusema kwa Mheshimiwa Kiraitu, asante for showing us the way and we are going to follow. Thank you and God bless you. Greatly and very far about the rest that they are here, because when I say they are here, nasema ni kwamba ni muongo. Tumeona macho. So now I would like Susan again to come and show us the team of Kemu. Where is Susan Almarua Padari? Apigwe makofi, akienda kuyapika wa mgongo kwa mgongo moja. Dini, Susana, Wajuju, Raimaru, Mweneto, Kameto,
na imwe kume oandingira kaumeira thank you MC na nivetu wonde once more karibuni Nairobi campus timu yako ya Kenya Methodist University Nairobi campus tisi agenda chief guest agenda timu yako lai Kenya Methodist University my colleagues come baringira bingoroba ina bakeya ito aleta kwa mito Doreen all the entire Kemu, where the future is. Weka wimbo wamekataa kuja. Thank you so much. I've been introducing you okay, so on this line, not to be the self-introduction, have we seen you by yourself? Sorry. Did you see I'm there? Thank you so much, Kimero Institute, Governor wetu wa Dini. Thank you so much for this is the group. Na baani bo tipo kemu ontubabu kemu. Baibo nengere kemu bawatela na ila mwatele to ya bawibo kemu na baibo bawatele kemu. Tukakwenda self introduction na mtu wawe ofisira alia tukiambira chano muraya buru kebange bonde kendabira
Mimi mbitawa Anthony Mwenda ni Chief Financial Officer wa Kenya Methodist University. Thank you.
Ni Kairo. Mbitawa Dr. Piti ni current chair communication and department.
Good afternoon. My name is Edgar Mumani, ICT department.
Good afternoon, Sarah Mori, marketing department.
Afternoon, again, Dr. Stephen Maurer, Senior Lecturer, International Business and Marketing. Thank you.
Good evening. Wabita Speaker, Deputy Dr. Kadege Rinda, Department of International Relations, na Ngirikanguna, TVET CITAC. Asante.
Mugeni Winde, Bitagwa Doreen Mutegi, coordinator business school, online learning, and also lecturer in finance. Thank you.
Mugeni Kaire, Bitoka Gendo Magaju, Nande Marimo, Bitama Kiswahili, na nande kubuwa na kugamadu mama Kimero, Kenya Methodist University. Mugeni Winde, Bitoka Kirikirami, ni Dean, Kenya Business School. Mugeni Winde, Bitoka Luse Kanyere, Nani Bitoka Ndelo Jiska, academics. Ambega ande mwalimu Steve.
Nge Ningeta wajuti Nikunda, ninyi mwenye Mbeshi.
Mimi kwa majina naitwa Boniface Ondua, marketing and also lecture. Thank you.
Mugeni Kaire, Dr. Rosemary Kirambia, Director, Corporate Communication, Marketing and Alumni Coordination. Thank you so much.
Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academic Research and Student Affairs. Karibuni Kenya sana.
Amjamboni, niko na furaha tele naongea kwa hiyo lugha kwa sababu ya wanafunzi. Niko na furaha tele kuwa hapa leo, nitaongea na Kimero. Mimi naitwa John Kobia Ataya, the Vice Chancellor. I'm privileged to introduce one member of Council, Mr. Henry Kurauka. Please, you can also say your greeting. Thank you so much, very much. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mr. Henry Kurauka, Council Member Kenya, Bara Kancho Kinkabo kile Karaturea na Kinya Amero na tuko support Kemsan. Gavana Kiraitu, asante sana. This is amazing branding for Kenya. I think soon the Atom David Institute in Uro Kinyamara Avad in your Amata. Thank you so much. But we see on the team, we are very, very privileged for what is happening. Kenya is rebranding and Kenya will be one of the best in the world. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. DJ, tuweweta rumuru. Okay, Nambisha Sarah Mwili, I hope you are taking the photo. Mongela. Wero TV iko kwa na Wero TV kidogo teka nini. It is live. Wero TV, we are live. Wero TV is Aya, sawa idi. Turukia ya rege, goya sana. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you put them up for Padari? Okay. Now we have a few more groups to then we finish. Hello, Mr. Mapema Padari. There's a patient, Kenya Padari. Can you please? Can we bring please? Rhino, please. Eto dikira kumwe. We want to quickly finish up with the introduction so that we can move on. We have Juri Cheke Hewandas. Where is Benjamin Mugambi to come and introduce them? Juri Cheke Kuru Dunia. Inko na Bokoro Braito, Inko na Itore Iheni Khadai. We want to introduce you. Itu kan proses ini. Ini apa? Apa dengan Juri? Juri apa dari araka. Andy, orang tinggi awal arah coba, arah tura, arah menyerah dia. Ini Okay, by the Antugatin and Itamiro, Naitian, Natipataki, Ita Antavare, Mugani, Jimmy, Nandi Korea, Professor and Mugamu, Norati Jacob and Babu, Educati Papa.
Hay por llamar que llegue o mucho que guarito a ver na caria no tu cuando para que tu viene de tu video pero no yes
Que más mangala. And the Catapult Window Treasurer, during Jackie Diaspora.
baru lagi Nairobi Diaspora Professor Jacob Kaumeni una contribuzione bancaria movimenti e tilla automatically una tiene
Tranquilamente Saudamente. Saporifico Tiane. Elerbaita como Tiane in Diaspora. Professor Gabriel como Saudamente.
Dimenticherando Deputy Treasurer Nairobi chapter.
Nirio Antoine Saudamente.
Cyprian Toribi again the central.
Lauren Tutunari Mkwene Saudamente. Sela Sambabu Saudamente.
Ini kita tinggi ini Director Juri Cek di Diaspora untuk timur nanu Juri Cek menyerang Manjau namun itu tinggi itu menyerang culture, history, tuana, ekro namun terus dunia atau kamu watak menyerang ini menutup menyerang environment untuk menyerang kemudian tuana untuk menyerang relationship. Tukabura mambo gatuan, patenduwe juri ni utawea kanisa na dirikari mono moito kirito taki mwangan. Tukekari mono kera mokoro kira itu untuk merongi atau ringra nato untuk menjuri tukarati guru jadi tukabura.
Ni darasani orang yang dicekat kama dicekat sebelum kansu kama keke bumi cuma terangkat ada yang dicekat kemudian kama itu orang Kristen yang kaya interior yang kaya kuru mata ini ketika aja jangan itu jangan mana itu yang sentensi ini siapa semua, betul? Oh, engkau besar, kemarin jadi kawan. Oh, engkau besar. Oh, engkau besar, kemarin jadi kawan. Okay, I think with this introduction, we have one of our very successful persons in calle Salud, no sigue de airport, con el cambio de then that to recognize all our further estates. And when we get out to Amelia Kadari, when we get out to Murendi, Ukeni and Jara, we are so grateful. To the Mirror FM, to the TV, to KBC, to all the stations for Meru, I will mention all of you by name, but we are very grateful.
Hii ni Wero TV.
Turi na kwithikira tukibumenyithia ikukelusi kathambikire inya kira kionekanire Aramisi tariki 12 mweri uyu wa kenda ari cibitari-ini ya Doctors Plaza nyuma ya mbajo ya Kagita Gakai. Imwana wa mututigi Benson Mungania na mututigi Jacinta Mungania Bankoune Village. Idota in-law wa Mwalimu Kiumbe na mututigi Esther Kiumbe ba Milimani. Imwekuru wa Peter Kirinya Kiumbe Deputy Head Teacher MCK Kambereo Boarding School Geaki. Imwarongina wa Mutuma na Karuirwa Mugambi na Nkirote Juliana Kinyua Kimathi na Jane Dolly na Gilbert Edward na Gaki Moses na Purity Makena na Mwenda Dhuranira na Mwendwa na Egina wa Brian Mugambi Kevin Mutua Mututigi Blessy Makena Alvin Karani Penina Makena Dennis Munene na Collins Murimi. Sister-in-law wa Jane Lucy Kimathi Murerwa Florence na Masi ikazin na antiwa baba inge ashore na ntobanja ni baguchemani antuko chionde nja kwawe Milimani na Nkoune kwa mbili ya 11 Chogoro. Mwere jukari twa Cool Breeze Funeral Home Aramisi tariki 19 mweri uyu wa kenda thaa 3 cia rukiri na misa ikethirwo iri kanisani ya St Joseph's Cathedral na nyumene anawo kwenja kwawe Milimani. Nuruite ndwai njaga wathiria rugendo na weka witikio jarani cha Mwathani nogoka nkorone chietu ugatura Kenya na Kenya. Amen.
Hii ni Wero TV.
I have been mentored by Graito. He advised me on how to be a mayor at 27 years, and I served that time as the youngest man in the country. So the councillors kijana mheshimiwa Rai Mwendeni na kile kinaitwa Kambera tena kwa hii siasa ni kuchoka shukuru. Atambera kwina kemu na kuchoka kugoma. Ujumbe alonga mbele wa haya kujisia sana ndini tuachoka kwa speaker na alimba choka shukuru tande yao choka shukuru ndio kani ndio haya nilienda choka kuchoka shukuru mbele leo na alimba ni lecturer wako ili na tualo pamoja nake mbele ya elimu na menga katene nimo mariana nini dairo nimo lecturers wako Montoro makamu munomo ishimo traito mambete iliyo kwa mbiancho keshukuru tene ni ngelia kwa sisi kirema taunga alishiriki kwa tweet na ndio bila ground kidogo ndio mtu wake na kwa bila speaker ile kwenda kwa mambo kuona kwa anayeongoza kwa mambo kidogo leo ndio ndio chini ya maji umombe mchuka huwa mchumo iko kwa mulio wanaleta lazima mama na gazi makomea mambisi. Tumiwe gavana Devo Dauka Demokezie and Demuire I think is in support of this program in totality. Na yeye anaunga lugha ya Kimeru mkono. Yeye watoto wake wanaongea Kimeru wote. Aulie ateko majina yake itiko tamakura ngana mugui iteko meagichuka. Kwa na yake imenyagichuka au ambera mheshimiwa Kiraito ati whenever you call upon him he will be ready to assist you in this program as we conserve our culture. I was seated with Ayub on my own behalf now and on behalf of Ayub, the Speaker of Mary. We want to tell you that any county registration you want it passed in our board assemblies, which will be able to conserve our culture. We are more than ready and willing to have it done as our members of the Council Assembly. The members of both Kanisi and the Meru County Assembly. The last point is that sisi tunataka kushukuru nyinyi wa Meru mahali mmeshikilia kijana wetu Kindiki Kithure, because we believe he has all what it takes to be anybody in this republic. Na hiyo support mnatupea tumeshukuru sana. Kuna ile kwa Mugambi alikuwa amekuja kumwakilisha hapa, nafikiri ametoka nje kidogo, but on behalf of the people of Kanisi, we want to tell the people of the Great Meru and Mount Kenya at large, the whole of Mount Kenya, thank you so very much for the support you're giving our son, the son of the soil, the son of the Lord Bishop, somebody who a few years ago you never mentioned where he comes from because it was never fashionable. But today it is fashionable to mention Tharaka. Name Tharaka name just because of one Professor Kithure Kindiki. Kwa hiyo tunashukuru sana. Chairman wa Kimeru Institute, niko na salamu kutoka Gavana Njuki hapa. Mwenye kupokea, unajua pesa ya siasa kwa inapeananga ilenga liwambeambia kama wanyarwambele. Ukilenga liwambeambia hizi tent. Sina mtu wa siasa ilenga liwatu watu wanafamiku pia. Gavana mbili lao kaa na mwira kwa support. Iti kutero na 100,000. Asanteni na mwezili wa mariki.
Okay. Now, we want to go. You take the program kidogo because we are on air and we want to maximize. The stories will come later, but we are going to have vision and strategic thinking first. So what I'll do is I'll ask Mheshimiwa Rahim to come to greet you. 1 minute, invite Professor Kaimeni, who will invite the chairman, who will invite the vice chancellor. Once you do that, one get into the lodge, then we'll go with the other stories. So, Raimo karibisha Mheshimiwa na wimbo tumarete. Propo tayari.
Asante Wamekitanga, Chief Guest wetu Daktari Kobia, Chairman wetu na all protocols observed. Kinyaoni betagwa Ntomarete, Nchari Igende South Maua. Na kuna wakati nilikuwa ninajifunza Kimeru kabisa, lakini ilipotea vile mambo nyingi zilipotea wakati wa siasa. Lakini kile ilinipata ya kwanza kabisa ni nyomo ya Kidhaka. So maybe I'm the animal in the forest, but I'm there.
I want to congratulate the chairman and the whole team of KEMU. Sorry, I'm an alumni of KEMU, and I will be the first student of Kimeru Institute. I hope I'll be accepted. And I want to say KEMU is where the future is. I registered for my PhD, but I never got down to do it because politics was a lot. Sio kama ndugu yangu amesema hapa Mbabu, mimi pia nilikuwa nimeregister, lakini pesa yangu iko hapo DVC Mary na DVC Kobia. Pesa yangu 11 years you are holding on to my money. ya PhD. I don't want to talk more than that, but I want to support this institute with 100,000 ndio iendelee mbele, and I wish once we establish this Kimeru Institute, we can popularize it to all our people, ndio watoto wote, because my dream was when I was first elected, and I want Professor Kaimenyi together with Mheshimiwa Kiraito, Governor. There was a time, it's not just Kimeru. We need even the traditions which were there, the stories which were passed down all those years. We need them documented so people who come after us, they know what Kimeru was all about. So that is what I request. If the Kimeru Institute, the doctors who are here, can do it. So with those few remarks, can I call Ambassador Professor Kaimenyi? Mpigie sasa. Like, you know, you are always late. You are always late. Karibu, karibu, karibu. Hai. Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani ni mwega. All protocols observed. Kuni ndienda kuga antu betu ngweretio muno tukwea narua okeja kurugura gakoro gakwa gakuringaringa nkurukia kithimi no ntubwa kugwirwa ndienda kwera chairman wetu Kiraitu Burungi ibo wega muno kiongozi no ntubwa kurwanya mantu jaja kweze kene kenda twetherwa kuma thochi mwankanto Nyeri twina antu wita ndairantu betu muno ana nkaba cheto na ndaka Kimeru neke ke ndatote karagwa antu batikaraje mantu amathoku oreta miranone oreta morano jambo via kana madikone ndembo ira twina erwa icha kuma konge na tekemero inyandene radio FM stations o dikirantu barabara yaku ema bariunganya Kemero na gechongo ke moni ye katotaba itana tura chiani betekerie nyantu betu na de bari gechongo neke tonto twena Citizen TV. Therefore, allow me to speak a few words purely. I know we don't have time, but let me say a few words. Because mimi ni kiongozi, mimi ni aje. Hata turn the other way around, I will speak. If you look at the Vision 2040, starting by Kiraitu and the team, Vision 2040, we are supposed to have a prosperous, united, and happy society. I wonder whether we are there yet. If you look at the Constitution of Kenya, Chapter 3, it speaks to the same, that the culture is the foundation of any society, and Meru is not an exception. In that Vision 2040, you look at Chapter 3, and I want to read. One of the immediate and short-term projects or flagship projects is to establish Kimeru Institute. So can you clap for Kiraitu Burungi and team? And the question is, ladies and gentlemen, what is the purpose of this institute? If you read the Vision 2040, one is to increase the number of speakers.
as well as quality of Kemeru, so that we are able to communicate better. And to me, that is important. As you have heard, the Institute will teach Kemeru literature, music, and poetry. And to bet once in a while, unasikia Merus don't know how to sing. What a shame. When we have Kamano here, when we have Karemi Bruno, can't you clap for them? And then the Institute is meant to encourage activities in our schools. What is one of those activities? Introduce Kemeru books. That's what I'm about to finish. And so that we can also provide competition of Kemeru songs, poems, and dances. We need to do that. So that I'm not accused of taking too much time. One of the greatest challenges we are going to have of having a vibrant institute is funding. But again, when you are determined to achieve something, this is not going to be impossible. Because I can see we can get funding from our 2 counties, from the CECs. We have ambassadors like my brother there. We can get international donors, Ministry of Culture, NGOs. This particular university, and I know this can happen, as I conclude, I also do know that we have several institutions from the Rakanidi County and Meru County which speak to the promotion and protection of our culture. But as Kraito Moronge told me one time, together we are stronger. So let us not be scared that we have so many other institutions dealing with the culture, including Jorincheke. With those many remarks, this is historic, it is fantastic. We will support this national institution. Mungu abariki ninyote.
Prof. Abigwa makofi afadhali. Tusimame tukaribisha Mheshimiwa Kraito Moronge as we retire Professor Kaimenyi. Thank you very much. Makofi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Karibu Mheshimiwa.
Asante sana. All protocols are observed. Hata change program wani nino we have live coverage. Nera kwi kudira ko turenda our chief guest aliye. Ara program we tembere roto kubangiti. So Kamano, relax. We are going to do all those things after our chief guest speaks. Ndeda kugatri kwena gitumi ikenene mono kya gitumi tutambire institute yeje Kemeru bikura. As Professor Kaimenyi said, urita ntorene kinya ntorene kabisa Meru ekoro baweterano baikuinera ndumbo shage ku na Meru turi ana beto batukwera Kemeru bojo bari ya batu babakebya koko na gitu mono mugamba yute kaure turi atugete Kemeru history kenda turi kana our ancestors babu we kriteta ya buri professors na bishop butendi do bureo kedra te kauro besau na comenjo baburi tiremboa. Number 2 keda ba munge na mwali yama watorere oshiavi watu tuli watu itangwe mashambene ya chunku tukire ya ngondu nao kono mwakeji taronde turi kana yantu watu tumeta twakinya uturi na ni university tu wikumeria itendero keda terawi imavyo wadogani ni tugite university ya Kemu. So history is important. Then university yongwa antu wadogana university untu akweja na degree na certificate yake. University is an institution of culture. University is an institution of civilization. Uwe university ni ukuli otombo, kuongera ume na usambaza. Kuna ndeba tu tuwiritu muno professor reverend no twa kanya gukuria Kimiru tutumagara university yetu ya Miru. Na ndene leo makai neturinge nimpe tukaribishe our chief guest Reverend Dr. John Kovia. Aja ongea na sisi. Alafu na msimame. 1 2 3. Karibu Reverend Bishop Professor Vice Chancellor John Kovia.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mnaweza kukaa. This time I will take a few minutes, speak directly to the university staff and the students and to Kenyans, and then later I will speak to the gathering here. We are privileged as a university to welcome you at Kenya Methodist University. We believe the future is here. Number one, the vision of the university is to become a world-class university. By world-class means we incorporate, we allow everyone from every race, every culture to be part of Kenya Methodist University and to be able to enjoy learning and teaching. For today's function, I want to assure staff and the students, this is not only an Ameru affair. The Kenya Methodist University collaborating with the Institute of Kemeru means there will be academic programs that will come with this collaboration and the partnership. One of that may come is a university-wide core course called Happiness. And then we shall teach, because there is necessity for us to teach Kemeru language as a language. In fact, those who have not under a privilege, this is a book I ordered in 2012. It is called Kemeru Grammar. It is here. How much is this? It's 300. Please pick one. Benantemwa muwanja antoantemwa ngabivya idano. A, E, I, O, U. That is how we have been writing since the missionaries. But that is not how we speak. We speak in 7 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U, E, O. Moare, moari. Mato, matu. Mokoro, mokuru. Therefore, we intend to teach Kemeru as any other international language that is taught in the university. Number two, we shall have the record of Kemeru history. The Ameru history needs to be recorded. It has been recorded, but it will continue to be taught as any other history in the university. That and not the final culture. We shall celebrate the Ameru culture because the Rakanidi has shown us the way forward in that area. Every year, the Rakanidi has a cultural celebration. We want to acknowledge that and say thank you very much, people of the Rakanidi, for that initiative. Meru will also have a certain activities that will culminate for a week of cultural celebration. Ambuyatre into Kwenene, Batu to Kenya Methodist University, non to na campus idato, main campus in Meru, na campus in Nairobi, na campus in Mombasa, to na kuwiru kunene. tukiwatanana na Kemeru Institute nikenda tumbo kuria Kemeru na nikenda ruthiomi rwa Kemeru na nkwaga ya cha Kemeru na muimera ya Kemeru na mantu ya utamaduni ya Kemeru yateke kura na yateke kuula tondo wana graito inkomeanati ania kwe anto barayere beta wa translation literacy and literacy bara ambereje go translate Bible na getiania. I want to encourage them because all these must be known. Let me tell you what composes of Kemeru. Kemeru is composed of Kiembe, Getiania, Kiment, Kemetene, Kegoji, Kemwembe, Kemudambe, Echuka na Kidharaka. Kinyato kaida dona 2 counties turi andu bamwe. God bless you.
Thank you. Now we want to do another session. VC kuja hapa, directors, Chairman Kiraito, directors wote kujeni hapa ndio sasa VC aweze kuunveil. Wea neto kwenda kidogo kenda VC umba ku launch kintu kiki ingilia kwega intoka ingilia inkwenda nenkro makasi ora wina makasi tafadhali ina nenkre VC makasi no yete makasi yatera kidogo makasi yes VC akujuke makasi chairman runga marake VC directors vote.
I just bought this wrecked.
AJ ni Wero TV.
Right on my body, nyumbani safi na bora. Right on my body, kwa nyumba yangu bei nzuri, hakuna kujuta. Fundi wanasema ndio jambo, weka mabati, maisha safi. Right on my body, nyumba yako itang'aa. mabati kwa bei nzuri tena. Kweli anadumu kwa miaka, vyuma imara, hakuna crack. Rhino mabati juu ya kila paa, hata upepo hawezi acha. Rhino mabati, nyumba yako itang'aa. Rhino mabati kwa bei nzuri tena. Kweli anadumu kwa miaka, vyuma imara, hakuna crack. Rhino mabati juu ya kila paa, hata upepo hawezi acha. Rhino mabati.
Eje ni Wero TV.
Chairman mbele after vita hii kulingwa tena chairman yuga kanto tenda ladies come yoni baba kuina yoni kwa kuinele lounge malo badale leko ndale na Asante sana. Ndio bange ndio ndio kinadero tatu tie chief guest na chama. Ndio chama ni aiwa. chairman, nekala chairman microphone MC. Kenda chairman ya Pelagato, chairman.
Check. Aya, iko bwana no vile bloku, ikamwaleka la kese kewelo mwana. Rokeni. Kamu mau ada kayak dua apa tadi? Aya, itu tuh kalau mana tuh betul, tuketi. Every itu ngerokeni. Ibu.
Sorry. Thank you so much. Naona swali linaendelea. Dato inateme biru utane na mpotelera. Anto wonde batonya kini na bakaime. O mtu mwe na bukalimbe kiyo shungu. Ebere umeru makato ni nini. Oke adoke kipero ila kimero wa kalimbe bange ba paraileta bange ba kina. Every person has to dance today. 2 tuye program kidogo. There are some guests we are requesting to come. I don't know, Eric Keraive, Ariel. Please come forward. Eric Keraive Mokonjuri, former government spokesman, and now the principal institute secretary, Ministry of ICT, Kumamara. Yeye ningetaka tupigwe makofi asante. He is a master's degree in communications.
Actually, I have 2 master's degrees in communication and business administration, and another master's degree in aviation security from ICAO. So, Mungani Ameru, thank you very much, Governor Mataya, wazee the council akina Naituri, ni wazee wa Njuri Ncheke na ni wazee wa inchi. Ndienda kubwira atire Ameru. Bwata ke Meru ngona ambassador ndaithiriti aria. Mugwiciria atiriri bagata atiriri. Taraithiriani our neighbors to the northeast. Mugwiciria bagata Gichomari. Nango bwelera ona baruya bakabwera tawe. Asanteni sana na ningwashwa Kajuju the first is 2 students. Wapikira ile Mutiga Muga. That is one nilisikia mheshimiwa ni the first, that is the second student, and the third and the fourth will also come from my own house. Asanteni sana.
Bana Keraive na Ligero. Professor Kindikina gutumene atuma po Mugambi aukinya
Eje ni Wero TV.
start your life here.
It's not enough for me. It's just not enough.
You don't know what they do to girls like you.
I think it's having an affair. Cindy. That's her name.
Sorry, who is your father?
That's a double bell.
Dad had another family, another wife.